Boys and girls, we are getting ready to begin science. You should have in front of you your science text. Remember, you are not writing in the textbook. It is for following only. So let's open to page 24 as we continue learning about God's plan for the weather. When God created the world, He had a plan for everything. He did not just create the world by guess and said, I'm going to create the weather, or I'm going to create the flowers and the trees. No, He had a plan for everything. God created the weather. And with weather, God created the rain. What is rain? We are on page 24. Water is in the air all the time. When it is raining, we can see the water in the air. When the sun is out, God may send a rainbow. The sun takes back some of the rain we cannot see. Let's look at the picture on page 24. God made a rainbow in the sky. And remember, in Bible class, we spoke about God's purpose for putting the rainbow in the sky. Do you guys remember? Yes, as a reminder that He would not flood the earth again. Going on to page 25, storms. Just like the rain, God created storms, but with a purpose. It may be a hot summer day, the clouds are getting dark, a flash of light comes through the sky. The flash is called lightning. Then we hear a boom. It is thunder. The wind begins to blow hard. The rain comes down fast. If we look at the picture on page 25, I know some of these can be very frightening when you're at home and you hear a thunderstorm and the loud boom of the thunder and the spark of the lightning. I know it can be very frightening. But God created storms, thunder, and lightning as part of His plan for the world. We are on page 26. It is a thunderstorm. I must stay inside. I am safe in the house. If I am outside, I must stay away from trees. I should stay away from water too. I will not be afraid. God is with me. So although the experience of a thunderstorm can be scary, it is reassuring to know that God is with you. He is there to protect you. We are on page 27, snow. The sun is not out. The sky is gray. The air is cold. Snowflakes float to the ground. I will wear a coat, hat, scarf, gloves, and boots to keep warm. In Florida, we do not experience snow. We get a lot of rain and a lot of sun. But in certain parts of the world and other parts of the United States, they do experience snow. Remember earlier on this week we spoke about the thermometer, and you guys had a very exciting video to look at. So the thermometer tells us how hot something is, how cold something is. Let's look at the picture of the thermometer on page 27. The thermometer says, let's look at the temperature. Let's count together. 10, 20. It is 20 degrees out. It is very cold because the lower the number on the thermometer, the colder it is. And the higher the number on the thermometer, the hotter it is. Online, I'm going to post another exciting video where you guys can go on and learn some more information. At the end of the video, there are some questions that you guys can answer.